Your first question is, which is the largest island sea in the world? These are your options. A. Galapagos. B. Mediterranean Sea. C. Tides. C. D. Others. Friends, if you already know the answer to any question, then tell us by commenting. The correct answer is B. Mediterranean Sea. Your next question is, on which day is World Red Cross Day celebrated every year? These are your options. A. The 16th of May. B. The 11th of May. C. The 8th of May. D. The 5th of May. The correct answer is C. The 8th of May. Your next question is, which is the smallest bird in the world? These are your options. A. Parrot. B. Pigeon. C. Hummingbird. D. Nilkanth bird. The correct answer is C. Hummingbird. Your next question is, which is the largest bird in the world? These are your options. A. Stork. B. Ostrich. C. Peacock. D. Greenery. The correct answer is B. Ostrich. Your next question is, which is the largest radio telescope in the world? These are your options. A. New Mexico. B. Large meter wave. C. Radio telescope. D. Others. The correct answer is A. New Mexico. Your next question is, where is the world's highest waterfall? These are your options. A. Venezuela. B. Tugela Falls. C. Yumbilla Falls. D. Three Sisters Falls. The correct answer is A. Venezuela. Your next question is, which is the largest wall in the world? These are your options. A. Berlin Wall. B. Great Wall of China. C. Wall of Chokhandi Stupa. D. Others. The correct answer is B. Great Wall of China. Your next question is, which is the longest river in the world? These are your options. A. Nile River. B. Narmada River. C. Ganga River. D. Brahmaputra River. The correct answer is A. Nile River. Your next question is, which is the longest tunnel in the world? These are your options. A. Saiken Tunnel. B. Mount Sinus Tunnel. C. Norway Tunnel. D. Others. The correct answer is C. Norway Tunnel. Your next question is, which country has the largest population in the world? These are your options. A. Russia. B. China. C. India. D. United States. The correct answer is B. China. Your next question is, where is the longest railway platform in the world? These are your options. A. Kharagpur. B. Sholapur. C. Gorakhpur. D. Jodhpur. The correct answer is C. Gorakhpur. Your next question is, which is the most widely distributed English newspaper in the world? These are your options. A. The New York Times. B. The Guardian. C. The Times of India. D. India Express. The correct answer is C. The Times of India. Your next question is, which is the largest ocean in the world? These are your options. A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. South Polar Ocean. The correct answer is B. Pacific Ocean. Your next question is, which is the highest mountain peak in the world? These are your options. A. Mount Everest. B. Himalaya. C. Parasnath. D. Beluga. The correct answer is A. Mount Everest. Your last question is, who was the Director General of the World Health Organization from 2006 to 2017? These are your options. A. Wangari Maathai. B. Margaret Chan. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Arun Jaitley. Friends, please tell the correct answer to this question by commenting. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.